Thesify AI has just dropped, and in this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing software that everyone's talking about. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or business owner, Thesify AI could be the next big thing for your digital tools, so stick with me to find out what makes it stand out. Plus, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, let's dive straight into what makes Thesify AI so special. First off, it's designed to optimize your content strategy with next-level automation. Whether you're looking to generate blog posts, social media content, or even ad copy, Thesify's AI-powered tools take the guesswork out of it. It allows you to streamline content creation, saving hours of effort. What sets Thesify AI apart from other tools is its ability to tailor content to your specific audience. The software analyzes the latest trends, keywords, and even your competitors' content, ensuring that what you're creating is both relevant and engaging. You can simply input your topic, and Thesify AI will craft something tailored to your niche, meaning you won't have to spend time tweaking your drafts for SEO or relevancy. Speaking of SEO, Thesify AI integrates an advanced SEO analyzer, which automatically optimizes your content for the best search engine rankings. It's not just about writing content, it's about writing content that will actually get seen. With keyword suggestions, optimal meta descriptions, and structure recommendations, it helps you rank higher without hiring an expensive SEO expert. Another standout feature is its content repurposing function. We all know that content creation can be draining, but Thesify AI helps you repurpose existing material. Whether it's turning blog posts into video scripts, social media posts, or creating smaller content pieces from a long-form article, this software maximizes what you've already done, extending your content's lifespan and reach. Thesify AI also boasts impressive natural language processing capabilities. This means its writing isn't robotic or mechanical. It's smooth, engaging, and human-like. You won't find awkward phrasing or unnatural sentence structures, and that's a huge deal for anyone creating content that needs to resonate with an audience. If you've used AI tools in the past, you'll notice a big difference here in terms of fluidity and natural tone. Now you might be wondering, how does it compare to other AI tools out there? While some of the more well-known platforms like Jasper or ChatGPT might come up in the conversation, Thesify AI's unique combination of content generation, SEO optimization, and repurposing features make it a serious contender for businesses looking to scale. The fact that it's highly customizable, meaning you can adapt it to almost any industry, makes it even more powerful. Here's a quick tip. When you're using Thesify AI, you can also take advantage of its analytics feature. It shows how well your content is performing, offering insights that help you adjust your strategy on the fly. You'll be able to track audience engagement and improve your campaigns based on real-time data, which is invaluable in today's fast-paced digital environment. To wrap up, if you're looking for a content creation tool that gives you powerful, data-driven insights, offers flexibility, and is super easy to use, Thesify AI is definitely worth considering. And remember, you can try it completely free from the first link below. After testing thousands of AI software tools, I've got my recommended ones in the description, so make sure to check them out.